Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Nightshade144 coming at you live from Munich, Germany. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the jet lag life because things are about to get weird. Munich, you know it, you love it. Oktoberfest, beer gardens, Disney-like buildings, it's all here. But beneath this postcard-perfect city lies a world of bizarre and wonderful traditions. So buckle up, grab a pretzel, or maybe not, you'll see why later. Because we're diving headfirst into 5 of the most bizarre traditions in Munich. Alright, so you think you know beer, you've been to Oktoberfest, you've thrown back a stein or two. Well, hold on to your lederhosen because Munich has another beer festival that will blow your mind. Starkbierfest. This bad boy takes place in the spring and it's all about one thing, stark beer. We're talking high-gravity, super-strength beer that could knock out a rhino. Seriously, this stuff is no joke. Starkbierfest is a wild time with massive tents, traditional Bavarian food and enough beer to drown a small country. Just make sure you pace yourself. This isn't your average Oktoberfest brew. Imagine this. The year is 1517, the plague is ravaging Europe, and the only thing standing between Munich and total annihilation is a group of barrel makers doing a weird dance in the streets. This is the Schäfflertanz, or the Cooper's dance, and it's one of the strangest and most fascinating traditions in Munich. The dance became a symbol of hope and resilience and has been performed every 7 years ever since. Chapter 3. Finger wrestling, it's not what you think. Okay, you're telling me you've never found yourself locked in an epic battle of finger strength with a burly Bavarian man while a crowd cheers you on? What are you even doing with your life? Finger hackeln, or finger wrestling, is a serious tradition here in Bavaria. It's like arm wrestling, but with, you guessed it, fingers. 2 opponents sit across from each other, lock fingers and try to pull each other over a marked line. It might sound simple, but it takes incredible strength, technique and probably a good grip strengthener. Chapter 4. Lead pouring. Your future is molten metal. New Year's Eve, a time for celebration, reflection, and apparently pouring molten lead into cold water to predict your future. Lead pouring, or Bleigießen, is a German New Year's Eve tradition that's equal parts superstitious and just plain fun. The idea is simple. You melt a small piece of lead over a candle, quickly pour it into a bowl of cold water, and then try to decipher the bizarre shapes it forms. Each shape supposedly represents something about your future. A heart means love. A clover means good luck. A blob of molten metal that vaguely resembles a screaming face. Well, you might want to consult the internet for that one. Chapter 5. Krampus. Because who needs Santa when you have a demon goat? So you think you were scared of Santa Claus when you were a kid? Well, buckle up because things are about to get real. In Bavaria, Santa has a sidekick named Krampus, and this guy is the stuff of nightmares. Imagine a terrifying demon goat creature with horns, fangs, and a penchant for whipping naughty children with birch branches. Every year, on December 5th, the night before St. Nicholas Day, Krampus takes to the streets for the Krampus Run, terrifying children and reminding everyone that Christmas cheer comes with a healthy dose of fear. It's a wild, chaotic spectacle, with people dressed as Krampus chasing onlookers, ringing cowbells, and generally causing mayhem. Ultra, so you coming to Munich or what? So there you have it, 5 bizarre traditions from the heart of Munich that are sure to make you laugh, cringe, and maybe even book a flight. From strong beer and finger wrestling to demon goats and molten metal, Munich has something for everyone, even if it's a little bit weird. Munich is a city that embraces its history, its culture, and yes, even its strange sides. So next time you're planning a trip to Germany, skip the usual tourist traps and head straight to Munich for a taste of the truly bizarre. And hey, while you're at it, tell me about some of the weird traditions you've encountered in your travels. Hit me up in the comments below. I'm always down for a good dose of cultural weirdness.